How to ensure SharePoint list connectivity and data refresh in Excel VBA using Ado. Introduction. When working with Microsoft Excel VBA to get data from a SharePoint list and update it directly from Excel, a common challenge is ensuring the connection and data refresh complete before proceeding with subsequent code execution. Standard workbook query methods often do not provide a neat way to wait for the connection or refresh to finish. The problem. Using native Excel list objects to connect to SharePoint lists can initiate asynchronous data fetches. Your VBA code might continue execution before the data is fully loaded or updated, causing errors or incomplete data processing. Attempts like application.calculate until async queries done or do events loops usually don't guarantee correct synchronization. Additionally, disabling alerts, screen updating, or setting manual calculation mode often does not affect the asynchronous connection state. A better approach, using Ado for SharePoint list access. Instead of relying on Excel's built-in external data connection methods, using ActiveX data objects, Ado provides more explicit control over data retrieval. This method retrieves SharePoint list data directly into a VBA record set. Does not require placing data initially on a worksheet to fetch it. Offers synchronous data fetching, simplifying the timing and sequencing in your macro. Preparing your VBA project. Reference Microsoft ActiveX data objects x.x library via tools references in the VBA editor. Sample code to query SharePoint list using Ado. Benefits of using Ado. Full control over connection management and data retrieval. Synchronous operations ensure data is ready before your macro proceeds. Avoids dependence on worksheet-bound query tables. Summary. If you want to reliably fetch and update SharePoint list data from Excel VBA, avoid asynchronous workbook queries that complicate timing. Instead, use Ado to connect, query, and update SharePoint lists with clear execution flow and no guesswork on whether data refresh is complete. This approach is not only more robust but also simplifies your VBA code and reduces unexpected bugs related to data refresh timing.